Ladies and gentlemen, I need you to pause this video and attempt this question. I'm sure most of you attempted to multiply inside, and that makes this question extremely hard to solve, right? It gets too tedious. So here we need to remember the most important principle in mathematics that says if I have bracket 1 and bracket 2 multiplied together and equaling to 0, I can conclude that each bracket must be equals to 0. That is the zero product principle. If you have two or more brackets multiplying together to equate to 0, you are allowed to equate each individual bracket to 0. So we're going to say the first bracket is equals to 0, or the second bracket is equals to 0. This was the difficulty part of this question. We were testing if you could see the zero product principle or the zero product law. And here we have 0 over 1 cross multiplying. N times 1 is n. 2 times 0 is 2. So, 2 times 0 is 0. Sorry about that. So the first answer is 0. Right. Now let's solve the second one. Obviously on the second one, we are solving for n, right? So which means 2a must move. This must move, that must move, that must move. And we can see that the 2a is going to move first because it's attached by a plus, the weaker enemy. So on the left, we're left with n minus 1d is equals to negative 2a. Right? And then we need to divide both sides by d. Divide by d, divide by d. This d will cancel that one. Then you have n minus 1 equals to minus 2a over d. Then we have n is equals to negative 2a over d plus 1. Okay. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. N is either minus 2a over d plus 1 or n is equals to 0. Alright. And that marks the end of this video. Please don't forget to share with family and friends and subscribe if you haven't done so yet for more fire content. Thank you very much.